and like get in my eyes, you know, like for the whole show. So, but I like it because I have an excuse then for when I make mistakes, you know, which is often. This is a song that was inspired by Icarus, if you're familiar with that. Yeah, feels like it. This is actually not my mistake, which is very rare. Which is very rare. If the wind turns, if I hear a squall, allow the ground to find its brutal way to me. I feel lighter than I have in so much time. I've crossed the borderline of weightless. One deep breath out from the sky. I've reached a rarer height now that I can't confine. All our weight is just a burden offered to us by the world. And no, I burn. How could I fall when I am lifted by every word you say to me? If anything could fall at all, it's the world that falls away from me. You have me floating like a feather on the sea, while you're as heavy as the world that you hold your hands beneath. Once I wondered what was holding up the ground. I can see that all along, Lord, it was you all the way down. Even now, I am steady down. If you need to, darling, lead the way to me. We'll float away. But if we fall, I only pray, don't fall away from me. I do not have wings of I ever will, soaring over a world you are carrying. If these legs should break my fall, if the wind turns, if I hear a squall, allow the ground to find its brutal way to me. If I should fall,